So our kitchen faucet has been leaking and driving us crazy. So we are replacing it today with a new Moen Edwin brand. And we're gonna show you how to do that. So the first thing we're gonna do is turn off the cold and hot water supply. So this is the cold. And so we're gonna turn that off, and then we're gonna turn off the hot water supply. One of these directions. There we go. I'm gonna unhook the cold water supply. Next, I'm gonna unhook the hot water supply. There we go. Now it's loose enough I can just unscrew with my fingers.
Huh? Yeah, dirt. Okay, super easy to take off these little blue clips. You just take your thumb and clip them off, and then you can pull this out underneath the sink. It's easier to film above than down below. Same with this one. Just pops off like that. But you don't really need it off, and then you can pull the whole attachment out.
All right, I'm gonna lift up the kitchen faucet.
Okay, let's pull it through. I'm unhooking the sprayer attachment. Okay, it's unhooked. Start pulling it up slowly. Okay. Pull it up.
Okay, so since there are 3 holes here, we have to use this mounting deck plate. So this has little clips. We're gonna put them, line them up, and snap them down. Okay. And then that's ready to go right here. Like that. So now we're gonna put in the faucet body, slide everything down in there. Just like that.
So I'm gonna take this little piece right here, and I'm gonna, hard to do with one hand, I'm gonna slide it up like this, and the little U's kind of hold your faucet lines in place. So now it's up like that, and then I'm going to put the nut on. Okay, now I'm going to take the tool they give me. I put the nut on. I'm just going to slide this up, and I'm going to tighten it the best I can with my hands. If you can't hand tighten well, you can take a screwdriver and tighten it this way. And that should be pretty tight. There's our last little nut thing. And that just screws up on here.
Below deck, we're gonna remove the plastic cap and discard it from the pull down hose. So we're gonna remove this piece. Here, reach.
There you go.
So you're gonna put it in until you hear a click. There, and then you can pull to make sure that it's installed. Okay, so this is the hose weight. So we're just gonna open it and then take this piece out. And we're gonna install this. They've marked where they want you to put the weight. So here's a little marking piece of tape. So we're just gonna put this basically here and click it closed, and then you can use channel locks if you need to tighten it. Now we're gonna hook up our cold water supply line. Doing the same thing, we're gonna get it started. Wrench again, not too tight, because you don't want to strip anything, just tight enough. Now we're gonna attach our water lines. This is marked so we know that this is the hot water line. So we're gonna start it off with, now we can use the adjustable wrench to finish it, but we don't want to tighten it too much. It could break your rubber gasket. All right, so we're just gonna give this a test. So we're gonna turn our faucet on for 15 seconds for cold water. And run it. Making there's no leaks. And I'm checking underneath and there's no leaks, so it looks good. All right, so now we have our spray wand. So we're gonna discard this protective cap. Just pop it off. somehow. Oh boy. Okay. And we really want to check and make sure that there's the screen inside and the O-ring, which this has. Okay, so now we're going to thread the spray wand onto the pull-down hose assembly. And we're just doing an 1/8 turn. We don't want to over tighten it. All right, so now we're gonna install the soap dispenser. So we have our gasket we're gonna set here, and we're just gonna put our soap dispenser base through the gasket, just like that.
Now I'm just gonna put on this plastic washer. If I can get it started. Can you see with me? So I'm just gonna tighten the last little bit by hand, and that's good.
Okay, so here's our soap dispenser base. So we're just gonna take the straw out and fit it in, and then it's just gonna slide down like that. Gonna fill our container with soap.
I'm gonna screw the soap bottle up underneath here. Line it up. Yep. And I screw it on decently tight, hand tight, or good.
Moment of truth, we're gonna stick this in and we'll see if any soap comes out. There you go. We love our new kitchen faucet. We love the pull down feature as well as the spray feature. Makes it really easy for cleaning. And we love having the soap dispenser inside the sink so that it clears up our counter space.